What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage out here at the auction, checking out nice cars today. And I stumbled upon a little jewel. Now, she's basic, but she is a Lexus ES350. But she's basic. Basic. No heated seats, no cooled seats, no rear backup camera, no nav. Does have a sunroof, which they may all come with standard, and it does have good looking leather seats. This is an 08 with 138,000 miles, and it's triple black. And buddy, it's nice. It is really nice. This is a clean unit. Someone has loved on this one, taking good care of it. And when you see these trade-ins like this that are coming from the Lexus dealership, usually, you know, the owner just carried it down there and traded it in for another Lexus. And 138,000 miles is not bad for an 08. That's pretty darn low, actually. Pretty darn low. But I thought I'd give this one a drive and see how she, whoa, about to miss my turn, you know. I'm fighting a cold. I thought I had COVID again, y'all, but I've taken 2 tests and they keep coming back negative. I just guess I got some sort of little viral something. Feel terrible. God, feel terrible. I'm sniffly. I've missed 2 days of work this week. Ugh. But I finally felt good enough this evening. Gosh, it's 6:30 to sneak out here before auction morning to drive just a couple of them that we're interested in for tomorrow. I've got a video of one I bought last Friday and we've already sold it, and I haven't even uploaded the video. Gotta love those though, you know. Man, this thing's nice. Runs and pulls good. Very, very smooth. But this thing with just 138,000, I mean, this thing's a baby. Just a baby. And she looks like she's been pretty well maintained. I mean, the dash and just all the buttons. I mean, these little plastic rubbery keypads are in good shape. That's always a good telltale sign of, you know, what kind of life the car led. Oh yeah, peel the wheels, baby. Man, she's got the juice. Little torque steer, actually. Yeah, this is a nice little rig. I bet it'll bring pretty good money, but then again, it may not, because of the fact it's such a low option car. There's another black ES, maybe navy blue. Huh. Looks pretty good too. It's got a tan interior. I bet that tan interior has not held up as well as this black does, you know? These black ones just hold up. Let's get a little walk around out here. Let's see how good the outside looks. I think it's pretty clean, but let's check her out. All right, trying to manage my water here. Everybody likes Lexus videos, so I know I do a lot of ESs, but that's usually what we find a lot of out here. Got some Goodyear tires. We're looking pretty good as far as scratches. We got a little door ding there, but Lord, that'll just polish out. This is small stuff. Maybe a little tab there. Yeah, this is all buffable. I mean, you can buff this stuff out. Hennessy, Lexus, those are my boys. Love those guys. I've bought 5 cars from them over the years. From their dealership, not at auction, but like going to the dealership and in person dealing with them. They have always been real fair, honest, and do a good job. Hennessy, Lexus of Atlanta. If you're ever looking for a good, you know, pre-owned car, I got nice 2-3 year old Lexus. they'll put you in a nice one. Shoot, this thing's almost good enough to put on their front line. Just a little polishing, maybe a little touch-up paint right down here. But you know what? I think that's dried soap. Headlights look good. Definitely a garage car. Not bad, not bad. Tell me what you guys think. We'll try to keep it shorter. Oh yeah, and we got some nice rubber mats. I like those. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you with the next one. Peace.